Hey Paul, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com. Happy birthday to you. Here is your 2008 Bowman Chrome Baseball box break. Sorry about the little delay between the email and the break, 9:55. My daughter is not feeling good right now, so she's been calling me. Just broke away for this. There may be a chance where she is going to call again, so I might have to stop in the middle of the break. Hopefully I don't have to do that. But I apologize for being a little bit later than I should have been. So here's your box of Chrome. And let's see what you will get out of this one. First pack up. We have Crawford, Michael Young, Ramirez, Darwin Barney, Pai, Fukudomi, Ginley, Liu, Myers, Soriano, Lirette, Petit, David Wright, Bonderman, Refractor, Peacock, Romero, Neiman, Abreu, Vineyard, Francisco, Hermida, Carmona, Yevon, Ortegano, Nick Johnson, Adam Jones, Gerbe, De Jesus, Garza, Hanley Ramirez Refractor, Matt Harrison, a Ice Refractor, whatever they call it, out of 250 autograph. There's your auto. Mazzaro, Jason Bay, Randy Johnson, Brett Cecil, Winterling, Guerrero, Blanton, Haynes, Cozart, Backlogs, Upton, Derek Lee, a lot of refractors. Chasen, Baez, Overbay, Huff, Martez, Bell, Bubba, Butler, Hardy, Sanchez, Silverio, Erie Barron, LaRoche, Husby, Royster. 4 packs left. Weaver, a blue Travis Buck to 150. Correa, Laird, Aaron Hill, Matsui, Klein, and Delaney. De Jesus, Veritek, Noberto, Martinez, Markakis, Perez, Castle, and Snyder. That was your last pack there. So there you go. Nothing too stellar, unfortunately. The Matt Harrison. It's a nice looking card, nice auto, but not the greatest name. So, but I will be sending you these cards. So again, happy birthday. Sorry it wasn't better than that, but let me know if you need anything else. Thanks, Paul. You take care.